Hey everyone, I have five terms I think everyone should know about AI as far as written words go. My first one is large language models, LLM. What you're using a large language models. And the premier ones are like GPT 5.1 or Gemini or Llama or Claude, any of the big American or Chinese companies that are top of the top, that are the tier models. There are other models, but looking for the best and the best, you will have to go to the OpenAI, Google, Facebook, or sorry, Meta, or Anthropic, or you got go over China. You can go to Kimike or and DeepSeek. There's probably others. I just don't know what they are called because I do not understand Chinese well enough to understand most basics. But anyway, since we're into the video a little bit, I'd like to introduce myself. I'm Justin Dart. I've been learning AI for about 5 years, and I'm from a unique perspective in two ways. One, I've been working in the same non-tech job for the last 20 years, but taught myself how to use AI on my own. And my other thing is I'm neurodiverse. So I have it from my point of view or from two different points of view. And I think I'm a good fit to have this, my unique perspective on how to see the world in AI and tech related stuff. And also, I'm here to help people who want to learn AI. So if you find this video useful, please like, subscribe, leave a comment if you want to work one-on-one with me. The information is in the description. And if you do make a comment, can you please come back to YouTube? I do post these videos on other channels, but I'm just trying to keep it consistent with trying to keep myself more in one spot. So if someone likes to post stuff, please do it on YouTube. But anyway, going back to number two, it is context engineering. What that is when you put information into a large language model, it's called context. And it's the same thing like if you are talking to someone, you have the proper context, you understand what they're trying to do. So when it comes to context engineer, there's two ways of seeing it. There's one with when you're working with agents, AI agents. We'll cover that some other time. But how I see it, it's context engineering. How I use it is if you put in pictures, a video, or a file, or your own words, that's considered my context. And how you engineer it is if you know what prompt engineering is, it's you refine what you put in to a point where you can get a consistent output. So in this, as far as context is, if you give it enough information, it should be able to do a proper job of helping you. So like if you give a paragraph, or give a page, or give a small story about what you're trying to do, the large language model should be able to understand what you're trying to do and assist you with that. Or if you have like 5 pictures, like I'm looking for the best way for as far as these pictures are concerned, and so that's number two. Number three is context window. It's going with the context what I just talked about, but there is a window. It moves, and just like it acts like human memory. After a while, people forget. Same with large language models and other AIs. But with large language models, my understanding is when they hit the limit, there's some ways what's been written before, and make it smaller so it has more room so it can continue talking to you as you expect. But there are different sizes with different models, and there are some of them are hitting 1 million, maybe 2 million words or tokens, which is quite a bit. And there is some ways around it that some people use, and I have used, and actually I talked about it a little bit previously, is in context engineering. Some people, or I've been doing, I don't know about other people, but I've been saving a file and uploading that with my question, and based on what I understand, it does not include that file into the context until it gives you output from what you put in, so it gives you more context in your window. And when you read that chat, most of the time, most likely, it will forget who you are and what you're talking about. So you got to put in all your previous information. So that's why I save some stuff to a text file, just re-upload it to the conversation. So it knows who I am and all that other stuff. And I don't have to keep on taping it in. But in ChatGPT, under projects, you can save files to the project. So you don't have to keep on uploading it. And it keeps all your documents safe in one spot. And you can keep it like a folder you have in your computer, like put all your stuff in for you're writing your next book, putting all your stuff for business, your personal stuff, etc. Anyway, number 4, it's AGI. What AGI means is artificial general intelligence. There's a lot of people who have different opinions of what that definition is, but I think most people, if not all people, can agree on this basic scene. It is general purpose AI. So what does that mean? What that means to me is if I ask a large language model, whether it's probably ChatGPT, it should be able to answer my question most of the time. And that's but AGI, when we hit AGI, the aim is for it to be able to answer any question with normal intelligence of a normal human. So I don't know what the average is for a human, but whatever that is, that's what they're aiming for, the average person's knowledge and capabilities. And another definition of AGI, and actually I liked it, but I think it's a little bit challenging, and it's because it's put in a robot and it walks into an unknown or unseen room, and you want a coffee. It can go make that coffee for you. So that's another definition of AGI, and there's probably others, but I think that's the general basic idea. And the last and final fifth one is ASI, artificial superintelligence. And more or less what you think is what that is. It's beyond human knowledge, artificial intelligence. So when people are saying AI can cure all cancer, or can solve the biggest problems in the world, or discover new scenes, or stuff like that, you're probably talking about AGI, but more likely talking about ASI. Because if AGI is normal intelligence, that is, artificial general intelligence, I think it's not going to be finding anything like new physics or new ways to make new bits. Well, it may, but probably not too super duper. But what the kicker, the big kicker is the AGI, human superintelligence. So some people are scared about that. Some people are not. I'm. If we do it right, I think it's going to be a golden era of human civilization. I think humans can do a lot of good things, like fix the environment, fix our reduce suffering, and expand our lives longer in healthier ways. And I'm hoping for that to happen to me and people who I know and love, and everyone else to live happy, healthy lives for extremely long time. What I mean by extremely long time, maybe 200 years. I'm hoping. Ideally longer, but let's just go with the 200 years or 150 years in good health in all respects. Anyway, you go to visit in the video. We talked about the 5 things that I think everyone should know about AI terms. If you like this video, please do. You want to make a comment, please come back to YouTube and make a comment there, because I do not monitor our social media as much. And when you're there, you like the contact that much, please follow me and have a great day. And oh yes, I forgot to make you're welcome to work with me one-on-one and you're in Canada. The information is in the description. And that's it for the video, and have a good day.